If you don't know what I'm about to say, you are wasting your time trying to make money online. There are three core markets that pay consistently. Number one, we have the finance market. This market is where people talk about courses on how to make money or how to save and the rest. Number two, we have the health market. Here, people talk about the fitness programs, how to lose body fat, and many others. Number three, we have the relationship market. This is where people talk about relationship advice and how to live well with your partner and the rest. So look around Nigeria. Is the trend is from this course on how to save to this online fitness program to this relationship advice. So if you can create a path for you in one of these three markets, trust me, your bank account won't be low, because these are the basic needs of man. So it's a good way to start.